Welcome to this series of short English videos. In this playlist, you will learn simple everyday expressions that native speakers use all the time. Many of these phrases are easy to understand when you hear them. But the goal here is different. The goal is for you to remember them, keep them in your mind, and use them naturally when the situation appears. Today, we will start with 3 very common expressions. The first one is, from bad to worse. We use this expression when a situation starts bad and then becomes even worse. For example, you wake up late, then you miss the bus. And when you finally start walking to work, it begins to rain, from bad to worse. Or imagine your computer stops working while you are finishing an important project. Then the internet also stops, from bad to worse. The second expression is, just in case. We use this when we do something to be prepared for a possible situation. For example, you take an umbrella just in case it rains. Or you bring a jacket just in case it gets cold later in the evening. The third expression is, one thing led to another. We use this when a series of events happens naturally, one after the other. For example, you meet a friend for coffee. One thing led to another, and suddenly you are having dinner together. Or you start cleaning one room in your house. One thing led to another, and you end up cleaning the entire house. These are simple expressions, but very useful in everyday English. Try to remember them and use them the next time the situation appears.